What's up guys, it's Dawan aka Curly Guy here, and I am back with this IGTV to show you guys how I transform my hair to a little bit more stylish if I'm going out, you know, for a little fall night out or something like that. I'm going to be showing you how I take this regular old wash and go and transform it to something a little bit more spicy. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and start off by sectioning my hair off. So I'm going to have like 2 braids up here in the front. So I'm just going to section about maybe 1 inch or 2 inches into my hairline off. And I'm going to do that on both sides and then clip these 2 front sections away. And then I'm just going to pull the rest of my hair back out of the way. Like so. So this is what we have. So the first product I'm going to go in with is the Thirsty Curls Leave-In. And this is like a refresher slash like revitalizer spray. So all I'm going to do is spray it onto that section just to get it moist so I can apply more product and start the braid. Next product I'm going to go in with is the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. And you guys know that's what I styled this wash and go with. I'm going to take about 1 pump because I don't need a whole lot. I kind of just reactivated what was already in my hair. But this is just going to add a little extra shine to my hair as well when I start to braid it. Next I'm going to take a boar bristle brush and just brush my edges a little bit just to smooth them out. And then I'm going to proceed to the braid. Once I get to the ends, I'm going to take a little bit more spray. Take my Tangle Teezer brush and go through the ends just to make sure they're nice and smooth. And then I'm going to take my finger and twirl away from my face, and it's going to give me a nice curl like that on the end. So that's 1 braid done, and I'm just going to repeat that on the other side. Okay guys, and once I'm at this point, both of my braids are done, I'm just going to let my hair down, and all I have to do now is go in with a little bit more of that Thirsty Curls just to kind of refresh and revitalize these curls. Okay, and so at this point, it's pretty much optional what you want to do next. You can leave your braids hanging, you can add some accessories, you can do whatever you want. What I like to do is just tuck my braids behind my ears so that you can still see the braids, but you know, it just gives you a little bit something extra. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That is just one of my quick, fast, you know, just styles that I like to go to. It just makes the wash and go a little bit more special and gives it a vibe. Like, this is a vibe to me. I might add some little jewelry pieces here if I so desire. You can, you know, deck this out however you want it, but it just gives you a little bit different look of, you know, just wearing a regular wash and go all the time like I normally do. And it's also, you know, the holiday seasons are coming up, so let's get a little festive. This is just what I like to do, and just remember guys, of course these Uncle Funky's Daughter products are sold at Walmart. You can find them there. You can also find them on the Uncle Funky's Daughter website, and if you go to the website, you can use my code CurlyGuy13 to get 15% off your purchase if you so desire. No coercion, just throwing it out there if you want it. And yeah, this is the end of that style. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video, and just remember guys, if you can't keep it curly, keep it classy. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next one.